What are N2generate and N2guard? Over the years, N2generate and N2guard have become the go-to supplements for many chemically enhanced athletes. Both of these products are being used during steroid cycles and after cycles, during the crucial post-cycle therapy (PCT) phase. Both products are formulated very differently, and each one serves a very different and specific purpose. So while you can take them together and they stack well with your cycle, they serve two completely different functions for your cycle support. Differences between N2generate and N2guard. The use of performance enhancement drugs can lead to several possible side effects. The two main concerns to most users are effects on reproductive functions and toxicity to organs and tissues in the body. Both of these problems are of great concern for both short-term and long-term health. N2generate was formulated with powerful ingredients that are meant to specifically target the tissues responsible for your natural reproductive functions. It helps you perform well in the bedroom, no matter what phase of your cycle you may be on. You can use this product both on cycle and as an after-cycle shield with your PCT stack. N2guard was designed to be a very potent cycle support product, with some 40+ ingredients put together in a comprehensive formula, all designed to help you deal with the ravaging effects of cellular-level toxicity. The latter is a common problem stemming from the synthetic metabolites that can occur in your body during a cycle. N2guard even contains both TUDCA and milk thistle, which are meant to help support your liver during your oral cycle. How to take N2generate and N2guard. Both products can be taken during a cycle or after the cycle along with your favored PCT stack. These products are two big bottles full of ingredients, so the servings are pretty heavy. In short, you'll be swallowing a lot of capsules. Both N2generate and N2guard can be taken with the same meal. Assuming this is how you design your stack, then you won't have any problem having them in your gut at the same time. Just drink plenty of water, like 32 ounces. N2guard has over 40 ingredients, so you would need 7 capsules per day spread out in your meals. This amount would be good to use if your cycle includes orals, given that the liver support ingredients in it come in handy during this critical part of your program. After your cycle is done, you can include N2guard in your PCT. N2generate is a 5 capsule per day formula. You can take them all together in one meal with plenty of water. The product can be taken both during cycle and during PCT, where guys may need it the most. More info about N2generate and N2guard. These products are used by many guys who are knowledgeable about chemical enhancement. Many of them will discuss their experiences and even answer your questions if you just head to the evolutionary.org forums and post away. You can talk about your own experiences using the products or simply ask a question about the products.